It was like being in the middle of the ocean, and the house was an island.
At the height of Superstorm Sandy, water invaded the town of Freeport on Long Island's South Shore. As this YouTube video shows, streets quickly turned into rivers.
I thought the water was going to get to the second floor of the house, and then I knew that there was no way that we were going to be rescued.
Alan Reiter and his family didn't evacuate, and like other neighbors here, now count themselves among the lucky.
Other people have it a lot worse than we do.
2 blocks away, a home exploded in flames, and there's little left. All around, as in other low-lying, ravaged communities, families struggle with debris, cleanup, and what comes next.
My living room, dining, and kitchen are only about 3 feet off the ground, so that's everything in there's gone.
Most houses that line Freeport's canals are low to the ground.
That's where the house went underwater, up to that line, and well, the rain washed most of it off last night. But we lost everything on the first floor, the whole kitchen.
At the head of the bay, homes sit higher, and in the aftermath, the peaceful water view offers a sharp contrast to the havoc the ferocious storm created.
We lost 2 cars, we lost our boats. We have both boats, they're gone. One ended up 2 blocks away and went through someone's house. We lost our whole dock.
So here and in other ravaged communities, the effort is all about repair and salvage.
I'm just waiting for the adjuster to come.
Insurance adjusters are busy. Flood insurance is underwritten by the federal government and often serviced by private insurance companies.
Still waiting for flood insurance to come. They haven't come yet.
When an adjuster does come, it's important to keep good records.
The force of the water knocked over washing machines, dryers. My neighbor's refrigerator was on the floor.
The Consumer Federation of America suggests you write everything down in a notebook. Make sure you have a claim number. If the adjuster doesn't show up, write that down. Make a list of what you lost. Photos help. If you've lost everything, someone else may have photos from a holiday party that show your possessions. Get repair estimates from reliable contractors. Keep receipts from emergency repairs and temporary housing. Flood insurance covers water damage from a flood. Other damage is covered by homeowner's insurance or not, as Tony Ucolano and her husband found out.
I have a $1.5 million policy, and they're only accepting anything that was wind related.
If you're denied, check your policy to make sure the reason is listed in the policy. The company may have language that limits what they will pay. If you think the company is wrong, talk to a supervisor. And if that doesn't work, complain to the state insurance commissioner. Use your notes. Check with a lawyer. The Consumer Federation of America says that courts often rule in favor of consumers, and it's expected that after Superstorm Sandy, many battles by homeowners will eventually be settled in the courts.
So we're asking FEMA to help us, but I mean, there's so much destruction. How much can you expect them to help you?
Barbara Nevins Taylor, ConsumerMojo.